Yeah, I just wanted to make sure.
appreciate you asking.
Thank you. My foot was on the brake the whole time, bro. Ah, son of a gun. What the hell was that? Well, I came to the lot, but looks like I got some friends, some police officers. I might see if they're cool with me being here. I don't think I'll get in trouble, but I don't want to get questioned for, you know, what I'm doing. I'm good. I was just gonna make sure it's good that, like, I'm riding up and down here.
We're doing dog training in the back corner here, and we just did some dog tracks over here. So.
Would it be too loud, or would it be too loud?
We're gonna be out over the back corner there now. So.
Okay.
Yeah, there's probably about 30 of us back there. So.
Oh, so.
A lot of dogs.
Do you think it's like, cause I know I'm gonna be back and forth loud with the bike, so.
I would say honestly, dude, because there's a good stretch like just past this.
You want me to go down there?
If you say just on the other side of this wood line right here.
Yeah.
Block a lot of the noise anyway.
Wait, which?
This one right in front.
Oh, like just okay.
You have like all the stretch here. So.
All right, cool. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure.
I appreciate you asking that.
Thank you.
Have fun.
That's how you do it, guys. You just gotta. Sometimes you just gotta ask for permission. He obviously knows what I'm here to do, so you know, as long as you ask, you'll be good. Hopefully, I'm not loud still, cause I mean, regardless, I'm still gonna be loud. I'll be hitting like 10K RPM, so it's, you know, the sound's gonna travel, but I'll keep it like right here. This is the spot I want to be at anyways. I kind of want to keep it like, I like this up and downhill part. Not a bad first wheelie, not a bad first wheelie. Not gonna be out here long anyways. It's gonna rain real soon. Wait, what you doing? Animals be like the most funniest things ever, bro. I swear, animals gotta be the funniest creation ever made. Like a squirrel, a bunny, a deer, they could be doing like, they just be doing the dumbest things sometimes. It's like, bro, you good? That was a really good wheelie, bro. That was a really good wheelie. Well, I forgot to say it. This is day 20, learning how to wheelie. Let's just call those extra ones I did in the beginning like practice. This is day 20, learning how to wheelie. Same thing as last time or yesterday or day 19, whatever. The goal is to drop back and apply foot brake. That's not even like max height. Like I could go further back, and here I am. Like I don't know, man. I would have kept going with holding it to drop back more, but oh, there goes the rain. All right, let's get out of here. Nearest gas station. Why? What the f? How'd I get hit through my visor? What kind of Yo, kind of matrix am I in? My visor is down, and I just got hit in the face with water. Like what? Alright, I'll turn the camera back on when the rain dies down or whatever. See ya. Instead of trying to drop back and use foot brake, I'm gonna go to the height that I'm now able to reach, and I'm gonna foot brake it all the way back down, and I'm gonna just do that on repeat. I got my Insta360 with me, so you're gonna have the footage of what my foot looks like when I press the rear brake, and then when it's time for me to, you know, when I really feel comfortable, you know, attempting to go further back, I will do so. It's a little bit slippery, which makes it a little bit hard. Like my tire is a little bit wet, and the ground is obviously a little bit wet. But I'm gonna still try to muscle through wheeling. I don't know if my tires feel like a little weird. Like I feel like I want to like fall. Okay. Okay. Yo, this is great, dude. This is great. Using foot brake is great. Wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. Yo, that was hella chase, but I was really like fluctuating that balance point with the foot. My foot was on the brake the whole time, bro. I'm gonna try to pop it up right here quickly, due to like how short of a distance I have right now. That wasn't bad, but heavy chopping at low speeds. I think I just dropped back right there. Yo, I think I just dropped back right there. What? I think I just dropped back right there. That was holding a foot brake. Come on. Oh my gosh, all of that's foot brake, bro. That was all foot brake. Yo. Way too much chop, way too much. Oh, I'm having too much fun, bro. Why does the sun gotta go down? Alright, so day 20, we got foot brake down, right? We got foot brake down on day 20. I feel like by day 30, no lie, I might be able to start dropping back more, where I completely disengage throttle and I'm just like holding foot brake to slow down, and then I'll pick it back up and I'll go. You know what I mean? We'll see when that day come though. $751. Couple more, because I don't know if my camera. Actually, hold on. Let's take off the ND filter. Now you guys should be able to see like it's nothing. So I could genuinely keep riding. Hopefully my ND filter don't get scratched because I didn't bring the case. Foot brake is fun, dude. It's so fun when you start to learn foot brake. There's so much things you could do, like even slowing down itself is hella fun, bro. Hella fun. Oh my gosh. Yo, pure excitement right now. Oh, I'm having so much fun. Now I just need to learn how to slow it down. I need to drop back to the point where I slow it down. I'm talking slow it down. Pure foot brake, slow it down. Not almost to a stop. I'm not gonna be able to get that right away, but slow it down to where it's like slow it down and then ride it back up. Slow it down and then ride it back up. Slow it down. Like I'm trying to get there. Yo, once I get there, I'm lit. I'm going crazy on this bike, bro. On everything I love, I'm finna go crazy once I learn that. Yeah. Yo. Ah! I'm getting a cramp in my leg. Son of a gun. What the hell was that? Damn, bro. It like pinched me for a second in my inner thigh. Too much seat time. Too much seat time on everything. Too much seat time. Alright, this is my last one. I'm gonna head out. Alright, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. Adios. Yo, we got foot brake, dog. Oh my god.
To you and me, there's not a thing left to say. Just watch it all fade away.